Hello everybody, this is Jen from Scrapping Posh, and I am here with Artistic Studio Creation Design Team project, and this is a micro junk journal made with the Imagine collection from Graphic 45, and it measures 2 by 1.5 with a 1/2 inch spine, and it has chipboard cover, and there are some charms. I have a balloon and some black and gold beading. It has a faux leather spine cover, and then on the front I have one of the butterflies from the Imagine collection, a fussy cut balloon, a couple of gears, some yellow pearls, and this is from the Paper Studio. It's just one of the swing things, and then one of the stickers from the Imagine collection. And when you open it up, the inside cover has the butterflies on it, and then in order to sew the signatures in, I also use the leather paper for the back. And there's some coffee dyed paper, several sheets of that, and then I use some of the 8x8 cut aparts, and the signatures are sewn in. There's 3 signatures with, I think, about 7 pages each. There's some lace on the edge of that. I didn't sew the lace in, I just glued it in. There's a couple of the butterflies also fussy cut from the 12x12. And some more lace. And I checked the website, I checked the store before I started. They do have some Imagine collection left, so if you can't find it, go and grab it. I'll link it below. And also, if you have multiple items in your cart, please message the store to get your best shipping price, because the shipping is not calculated correctly. I used some paper here, just glued it in for a little tuck spot. This is a map that I've had in my collection forever, like a 7 Gypsies map. And some more coffee dyed paper. I use some copper or rose gold washi tape to make tabs. Another piece of the paper. That's from the 12x12. I got glue on that. I'll cover that up with something that somehow got glue on it, probably from gluing the lace on. There's one of the tabs I made. Some more lace. I have this little copper clip from the Paper Studio, I believe, also. And then there's another tab with different washi tape, and one of the 8x8 cut aparts. And then the rest of it's just coffee dyed paper. There's about 6 more pages here. And then the back, the same blue paper. And then on the very back of the book, I have a sticker. It says nothing happens unless we first dream. And that's it. There's my itty bitty micro mini, and I handmade a paper clip. I just wrapped I think this is a wild orchid rose I got a long time ago, and wrapped the other part of the clip with some washi tape. And that just sticks right in here and holds it together. So that is my Artistic Studio Creation Design Team project. So hop on over if you're looking for the Imagine collection before it is all gone. And Crystal also has some new items in the store, some micro beads. I'll have some in the next few days in my design team package, which are good for shakers, and some Bo Bunny Christmas collections that are really awesome. So I'll be showing those here in the next couple days. So thank you, and don't forget I have a giveaway coming for the first 12 days of Christmas. It's called the 12 Days of Christmas giveaway, and I will be giving away one retired Graphic 45 item every day for the first 12 days. The videos will be posted the 1st through the 12th. The drawings will start the 13th and go through the 24th. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you later. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.